I got a flat on my truck the other day, and so I got some new meats, and even though I got told that 35's wouldn't fit, I got the 35's, and they look nasty, but they do rub really bad. So I took the bumper off before I even put them on because I knew they were gonna rub. But this is what I'm working with. Basically the entire bottom half of the fender rubs. So I got my whizzer wheel in action. The video would be better if this light would have turned on earlier, but it didn't. So yeah, we're gonna do a little of this, a little of that. All right, well, now it's good enough to drive it home, or drive it to work tomorrow. So, yeah, definitely don't have to cut anything. Promise you. Don't have to cut anything. It actually still rubs, but it's dark out and I can't really see anything. So, I'm gonna see if it's actually worth it to cut anymore. But it looks so sick. All right, yeah, I got bumper spacers coming in for the bumper. We'll see how much cutting we got to do on that once that comes in, but sick. So I got the bumper spacers in today for the old Platy, and honestly a little disappointed with this kit. It's from Wicked Manufacturing. It was $130, and as you can see, this is all I got right here. So I got 8 bolts and 8 steel spacers that you could probably buy online for like a couple dollars a piece. So this is probably like $30 in parts, and they charge $130 for it. And I was hoping for like some billet spacers or something that actually matched the bumper bracket, so it just slide right on. But no, they're just regular old bushings there to space it out. So if you're gonna do this job, I'd recommend just order yourself some 1-inch spacers with like a 1/2-inch hole drilled in the center, or a 1-inch spacer with a 1/2-inch hole drilled in the center, and then you'll be able to just do this real cheap by yourself without spending $130. It should work. It doesn't give anything for the side brackets, but it says you can just pull it out and use the flex on them, so we'll see how that works. So we'll get this on, and I mean, I already paid for it. I'm not going to send it back because it should do what it's supposed to do. It's just honestly not the quality I expected for spending the amount of money I did. But as long as the tires fit, that's all that really matters. So we'll get these on. Okay guys, the bumper's back on and it looks awesome. I actually like how these look with the spacers on it because it gives it a little more depth in the front end. All right, so I've had the truck on the wheels for over a year now. I finally got around to making this video and it's been pretty great. You can see here that I had to do a very small amount of trimming on this to prevent it from rubbing. It was like an 1/8 inch just for good measure. And then over here, I didn't cut any more off of it. This is all that got cut. And then I just zip tied this back. This side's been great. The other side actually does rub very slightly, but it does go to full lock. So I haven't really played with it too much. You can see it just catches the fender apron right there. But I daily it. I put over 30,000 miles on it. So it's good. And you can see here too, there's a very small amount of trimming, but nothing crazy. So that's all it is, and it's pretty easy. So if you want to put 35s on 14 wides, that's how you do it on just a level truck. So if you like what you see, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. There'll be plenty more of all this. I'm always constantly working on stuff, so get more of this, some more race videos, and I'll have some shirts for you here soon, so make sure you comment if you want one. See you guys later.